Brian DeMoe at DayTradingFutures.net doing the daily technical analysis on the New Zealand dollar currency. And what we see here is the futures chart for the New Zealand dollar, and this is a 4-hour. Now, these previous lines I've drawn in were some swing trade setups I've posted on the site earlier, believe, or late last week. And we did meet the target entry, which was at this point of resistance here, 82.78. My first target was this blue line, which we touched right at this point. So if you did have your stops and your target matching my previous post, then you probably didn't miss this. And if you didn't have your mark set and you did go into the short trade, hopefully you did a profit from this as well. Fortunately, we didn't meet the second target, which are these two sets of lines that I had drawn in at this ultimate line of support at 80.98. So what we see here is finally the rally stopped off. Some positive news came in for the US dollar, and ever since then every currency has pretty much been faced with a downward trend due to the fact that the US dollar had skyrocketed, at least in the ICE index, to the $81 range, which was before it was in the low 80.2, 80.1. So looking at the chart, it does look like we're starting to break, but you never know. This candle here could develop into another red candle. I don't see any trade setups at this moment. What I'd like to see is a break above the high of the second previous red candle. So I'm looking for a break of above 83.39 before before taking a long position here. And then in terms of going short, I think risk reward wise, you're still in the clear to go short if you haven't already. This could be your first target for that short position at 82.78. Stochastics are not showing an oversold territory. So it's very likely that we could continue down, and then once we hit this area, which would probably be this line of resistance or support now at 82.78, that we just retrace back up. Stepping back on the 4-hour chart, you can see that this sideways consolidation has lasted quite some time. And the high that we have is over here at 85.11 on this futures instrument. So with all the good rumors going around about the New Zealand dollar and the strength of the economy and all the good setups they have moving forward in 2014, I am assuming that we are going to, if we continue this downward trend, we're going to bounce off of this line at 82.78 and start a new consolidation before we do a breakout past this 84.55 and well above it. So for everybody looking to go long, hold off and wait until either we break the high of this previous past candle, which is a good indication that this downward trend is done, or we continue down and watch as the currency reaches this level and make sure that we get a bounce instead of a continuous breakthrough and ultimately back down here, which I don't expect to happen. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me at DayTradingFutures.net, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks.